In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a missing bank statement line in Xero efficiently and accurately. It's a straightforward process, but it involves a few crucial steps to ensure everything is correctly recorded and reconciled. So, whether you're a seasoned Xero user or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. First, you'll want to log into your Xero account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top bar of the screen. There, you'll see a section labeled Accounting. Give it a click, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appearing. This menu provides you with several options, but for today's task, you need to select Bank Accounts. This is where all your linked accounts are managed and displayed. Now, with the Bank Accounts page in front of you, search for the specific bank account where you've identified a missing transaction. Click on this account to proceed. What you're doing here is accessing the details and activities associated with that particular bank account. Next, direct your focus to the tabs presented. You're going to want to find and click on the tab labeled Account Transactions. This area provides you with a detailed view of all transactions linked to your selected account. Once here, you'll see a button that says New Transaction. Click on it, and this will allow you to fill in the necessary details for the missing bank statement line. Be meticulous with entering this information, as accuracy is key to maintaining clean financial records. Once you've input all the correct details, go ahead and click on Save. With the transaction now added, you might wonder where it appears. It will show up as an unreconciled item in the list of transactions. This simply means it hasn't yet been matched with its corresponding bank statement line. To reconcile it, which is an important step to ensure your accounting records are accurate, you need to check the box next to this newly added transaction. Now that it's selected, look for a button labeled More. It's typically located somewhere towards the top or side of the page, depending on your layout. Click on it, and you'll see an option that says Mark as Reconciled. Selecting this option will finalize the process by aligning your transaction records with your bank statement. And just like that, you've successfully added and reconciled a missing bank statement line in Xero. This simple procedure helps maintain the integrity of your financial data and keeps your accounts tidy and accurate. Make sure to periodically check for any discrepancies and follow these steps to ensure your records are always up to date. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore our other videos for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your Xero experience.